Drink that old puddle water, buddy. That's yucky. Yucky old puddle water. I suppose it's probably, oh, I know that's yucky. Ooh. Still lots of mud around over here. A lot of four-wheeling and stuff through here. What are you locked onto? You're definitely locked onto some kind of a scent. Hey, bud. Coop. Coop. Yeah, I don't know what he's chasing. Come on, buddy. Probably a deer. Where are you, bud? Oh, I see him. He's coming. There he comes. There you are. Oh, you just love getting hot, don't you? Now, are we up on another big cliff face here? Because it won't be all that good if we are. Looks like a great spot to party. Hey, now you take her easy. Oh, okay. Look at that. Right out into the water. Yeah, you can drive right out. Yeah, that's nice. Are you gonna go out in that? Huh? You gonna go out and wade the water a little bit? So check this out. Oh, we got some people over there boating. Uh-oh. You okay, bud? You getting stuck in the mud? Okay. Well, let's go out. He's getting stuck in the mud. You want to take a break? You want to take a little break? Take a little break. You're probably hot, aren't you? Now, are you hot? Okay, well, let's go out then. Now just go easy, okay? You don't need to